ICT and Governance, Topic 4, Paper 1, UGC NET. Some common computer abbreviations. AGP. AGP is Accelerated Graphic Pot. AGP is Accelerated Graphic Pot. PC is Personal Computer. PC is Personal Computer. EPROM is Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. BIOS, Basic Input and Output System. HDD is Hard Disk Drive. HDD is Hard Disk Drive. PCI is Peripheral Component Internet. Peripheral Component Internet. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. Universal Automatic Computer. GUI, Graphic User Interface. GUI, Graphic User Interface. USB, Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus. VGA, Visual Graphic Adapter. VGA, Visual Graphic Adapter. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. WAN, Wide Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. LAN, Local Area Network. LAN, Local Area Network. EEPROM or EAPROM, Electrical or Erasable, Alterable, Programmable, Read-Only Memory. Electrical or Erasable, Alterable, Programmable, Read-Only Memory. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit. OS, Operating System. OS is Operating System. OS is Operating System. ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. CD, Compact Disc. CD is Compact Disc. CD is Compact Disc. ROM, Read-Only Memory. ROM is Read-Only Memory. VDU, Visual Display Unit. VDU, Visual Display Unit. VDU is Visual Display Unit. RAM, Random Access Memory. Random Access Memory. ICT, Information Communication Technology. Information Communication Technology. PROM, Programmable Read-Only Memory. PROM, Programmable Read-Only Memory. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. IDE, Integrated Drive Electronics. IDE, Integrated Drive Electronics. Fortran or FORTRAN, Formula Translator. Formula Translator. Formula Translator. MOS, Metoxide Semiconductor. MOS is Metoxide Semiconductor. Meta-oxide Semiconductor. ATX, Advanced Technology Extended. ATX is Advanced Technology Extended. SIM, Subscriber Identification Module. SIM or SIM is Subscriber Identification Module. MHz is Megahertz. MHz, Megahertz. ISP, Internet Service Provider. ISP, Internet Service Provider. GHZ, Gigahertz. GHZ, Gigahertz. GHZ, Gigahertz. DBMS, Database Management System. DBMS, Database Management System. SQL, Structured Query Language. SQL is Structured Query Language. RW, Rewritable. RW is rewritable. SDT, Serial Data Transmission. Serial Data Transmission. Gigabyte is GB. GB is a gigabyte, which equals 1000 megabytes. And CPU, this one, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit of the computer. This is like the computer's brain. And Mac is an abbreviation for Macintosh, which is a type of personal computer made by the Apple Computer Company. OS is the operating system of the computer, and it begins automatically when the computer is turned on. PC. PC is an abbreviation for personal computer. It refers to computers that are IBM compatible. PDF. This represents portable document format, which displays files in a format that is ready for the web. Portable document format. PDF is portable. This one, portable document format. RAM. RAM, this stands for Random Access Memory. It is the space inside the computer that can be accessed at one time. If you increase the amount of RAM, then you will increase the computer speed. This is because more of a particular program is able to be loaded at one time. ROM, it's only read-only memory, which is the instruction for the computer and cannot be altered. Read-only memory cannot be altered. VGA, the video graphics array. The video graphics array. Video graphics array is a system for displaying graphics. It was developed by IBM. WYSIWYG. This initialism stands for what you see is what you get. It is pronounced WYSIWYG and basically means that printer will print what you see on your monitor. Printer will print what you see on monitor. Then there is FTP. This is service called File Transport Protocol. FTP is File Transport Protocol. File Transport Protocol, which moves a file between computers using the internet. FTP moves a file between computers using the internet. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol and is a set of instructions for the software that controls the movement of files on the internet. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IP, this stands for Internet Protocol. IP is Internet Protocol, which is a set of rules that govern and controls the movement of files. This IP, it stands for Internet Protocol and is a set of rules that govern the systems connected to the Internet. IP address, Internet. IP address is a digital code specific to each computer that is hooked up to the internet. ISP is the internet service provider. ISP is the internet service provider. Is a company which provides internet service, so you can connect your computer to the internet. So you can connect your computer to the internet. LAN, it stands for local area network, which is the servers that your computer connect in your geographic area. PPP, point to point protocol. Point to point protocol is a set of rules that allow your computer to use the internet protocols using a phone line and modem. Using a phone line and modem allows your computer to use internet protocols. URL, this is Uniform Resource Locator. URL is Uniform Resource Locator, which is a path to a certain file on the World Wide Web. It's a path to a certain file on the World Wide Web. URL, this is the Uniform Resource Locator, which is a path to certain file on the World Wide Web. And USB, the Universal Serial Bus. USB is Universal Serial Bus. USB is Universal Serial Bus. It is used for communications between certain devices. It can connect keyboards, cameras, printers, mice, flash drivers and other devices. Its use has expanded from personal computers to PDAs, smartphones, video games, and is used as a power cord to connect devices to a wall outlet to charge them. VR, virtual reality. Virtual reality. VR simulates a three-dimensional scene on the computer and has the ability of interaction. This is widely used in gaming. VRML, virtual reality markup language. Virtual reality markup language allows the display of 3D images. Virtual reality markup language. PAN or PAN, it is Personal Area Network. DIMMS, Dual Inline Memory Module. Dual Inline Memory Module. CMOS, Complementary Methoxide Semiconductor. Complementary Methoxide Semiconductor. ENIAC, Electronic Number Integrator and Calculator. Electronic Number Integrator and Calculator. Electronic Number Integrator and Calculator. CMD, Command. CMD is Command. EDSAC, Electronic Dialogue Storage Automatic Computer. EDSAC is Electronic Dialogue Storage Automatic Computer. Electronic Dialogue Storage Automatic Computer. MAC, Media Access Control. MAC, Media Access Control. IC, Integrated Circuit. IC is Integrated Circuit. LSIC, Large Scale Integrated Circuit. Large Scale Integrated Circuit. DIR is Directory. DIR is Directory. GIGO, Garbage in, Garbage out. Garbage in, Garbage out. Garbage in, Garbage out is GIGO or GIGO. PHP, PHP is Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is Hypertext Preprocessor. Hypertext Preprocessor. DOC is Document. PDT, Parallel Data Transmission. PDT is Parallel Data Transmission. PDA is Personal Digital Assistant. PDA is Personal Digital Assistant. USSD, Unstructured Supplementary Service. USSD, Unstructured Supplementary. www, World Wide Web. www is World Wide Web. COBOL, that is Common Basic Oriented Language. Common Basic Oriented Language. Common Basic Oriented Language. CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professionals. CCNP is Cisco Certified Network Professionals. CCNP is Cisco Certified Network Professionals. BASIC, Beginner All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Beginner All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. And CEH is Certified Ethical Hacking. CEH is Certified Ethical Hacking. CEH is Certified Ethical Hacking. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. CISCO, Computer Information System Company. Computer Information System Company. XSS, Cross-Site Scripting. XSS is Cross-Site Scripting. Cross-Site Scripting, it is different. XSS, that is Cross-Site Scripting. XML, Extensible Markup Language. Extensible Markup Language. And HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. CCNA is Cisco Certified Network Associate. CCNA is Cisco Certified Network Associate. RFI is Remote File Inclusion. RFI is Remote File Inclusion. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. DDoS, Distribution Denial of Service. Distribution Denial of Service. Distribution Denial of Service. VPN, Virtual Private Network. VPN is Virtual Private Network. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. SEO is Search Engine Optimization. IP is Internet Protocol. Operating Systems and Data Storage Based. BIOS, Basic Input Output System, which controls the computer, telling it what operations to perform. These instructions are on a chip that connects to the motherboard. Byte, a byte is a storage unit for data. K is kilobyte, which is 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes. MB is a megabyte, which is million bytes. Million bytes. GB is gigabyte, which is equal to 1000 megabytes. 1000 megabytes.